How are you?
How are you?
Grabe ka naman.
Ano
How long
naman
were you gone?
Very long.
Very long. I know.
Pasabay. So here we go again.
Ayan na naman. Babies.
Actually, if
The
you
last
want,
time.
there's one that's a little bit higher, but still the same comfort and safety. Elisa.
It's not mabigat, ha?
Super.
It's magaano. Look at that. Tsaka, look at the height. Oh.
Perfection.
Perfection. Ang tangkad natin
Yes,
ito.
madami na tayo
Ang
na.
ganda. Ito, look at that. So, mayroong white. There's black.
This is the
Yes.
best also. Ganyan din yung sa brown.
Oh, diba? You know what? This is perfect. Shorts or pants, no?
Yes.
Kasi ang ganda ng bagsak pag nag-pants ka na mahaba. Pero this is nice. Look at this. It's suede.
Ganda, pwede pang gown.
Oo.
Women's and siya. Ganda, no?
Oo nga,
So,
no?
over.
Oh, yeah. Oh, pwede.
Ganda, no?
So, akin na lang to.
Yes.
Wala na. Suot ko na.
Ganda, no?
Ang ganda. It's not, the sleeves are not too long.
Yes.
So, you can actually work.
You can have your, ano,
Yeah.
you can work.
And you can wear your accessories. Kita pa rin. Ang sarap maging friends si Heart.
And then, ito.
Diba? Ang sarap.
ano,
Kasi nasi-share niya yung mga
Clothing.
latest.
clothing. Ganda ng clothing.
Oo. Nice, ah. And I love the color.
So, ito na yung sa bagong grade. The directory.
Oh, 71. Nice.